Hi, I'm Sarah Phillips, and I'm with Phillips Law, a criminal defense firm based out of New Orleans, Louisiana. If your case is headed to trial, or you're just trying to wrap your head around what a criminal trial even looks like, then this video is for you. So a lot of people picture a criminal trial, something from court TV, a packed courtroom, dramatic objections, and surprise witnesses. And while it can be intense, real life trials are much more structured, and knowing what to expect can make it a whole lot less scary. So let's walk through what actually happens during a criminal trial and who all the key players are. So who's who in the courtroom, just in general, but especially during a trial? The judge, you know them. They're the referee. They keep things moving. They make the legal rulings. And if there's no jury, they decide your guilt or innocence. Next is the prosecutor, called the DA or ADA, like assistant district attorney. They represent they represent the state, and they try to prove you committed the crime. The defense attorney, that's us. We represent you and fight for your rights. Then there's you, the defendant. You're going to be sitting right next to your attorney. The jury, if your trial has one, they're the ones who decide if you're guilty or not based on the evidence. Then you have the court reporter. They're the ones typing in every word that is said in court. You have the bailiff, who's handling security and keeping order in the courtroom. Then you're going to have the witnesses, which are called from both sides to give testimony. This might be officers, experts, or even people who were at the scene. So what actually happens at trial? So first off is jury selection. This is called voir dire. We ask potential jurors questions and pick who will hear the case. Next will be opening statements. Each side tells the jury what they think the evidence will show. Next will be the presentation of evidence. The prosecutor goes first. They get to call their witnesses, present documents, videos, photos, etc., and we get to cross-examine each one. Then the defense presents its case, or not. Remember, as a defendant, you don't have to prove anything. The burden is completely on the state. Finally, we have closing arguments. Each side sums up the case and argues why the verdict should go their way. Next is jury instructions and deliberation. The judge gives the jury the legal rules, and the jury goes to deliberate. And finally, we have the verdict. This is when the jury announces their decision, guilty or not guilty. So, do you have to testify? Not necessarily. In fact, you have the right to remain silent even at trial. We'll talk with you ahead of time about whether it helps or hurts your case to take the stand. There are pros and cons to both, and we take that decision seriously. And this will be something that we talk ad nauseum about before your trial. So what happens if I'm found not guilty? You will walk out of court free. That charge is behind you. You don't owe court fines, you don't go on probation, and you can never be tried again for that same charge. Now, what if you are found guilty? The judge will schedule a sentencing hearing, or sometimes it happens right after the trial. That's when your punishment is decided, and we'll fight to keep it as fair and as light as possible. So, trials can be stressful, but you don't have to go through it alone. I know that we're your attorneys, but more than that, our job is to guide you every step of the way, answer your questions, and make sure you feel confident and prepared when your day in court arrives. So, if you are a current client and want to talk through what your trial day might look like, just reach out to your attorney. That is what we are here for. And if you're not a current client and you're facing charges in Southeast Louisiana, we would love to talk to you. We'll talk with you for free and kind of help you out with your situation, and let us know if we can help, right? So make sure to give us a call. I am Sarah Phillips with Phillips Law, and our number is 504-395-8867. We are happy to talk and see how we can help you out. Thanks so much.